Right then, so first up we have got a nibby. Actually get your camera out first. Coming up now is a class 331. Is it 1 or is it 2? It's 2. 331001 and 331011. I'm going to be honest with you here. I am only making this trains out video as a bit of an anti-Ashton underline because it was such a flop. Hopefully this video isn't as bad. Let's do this. Coming in now is a class 150. And it is 150-210 bound for Southport. And that is on the Stalybridge to Southport service. 150-210 on its own. Right then, going out now is 152.10 bound for Southport. Next stop for this is going to be Moses Gate, a station which I have been to quite a lot of times, along with Farnworth. Right, so the impossible has happened. I found someone that hates Celia Drummond. Seriously? How can you hate Celia Drummond? Come on, man. How can you hate Celia Drummond? Her and Phil were just the goats. There's surely no debate about it. Again though, the announcements are fairly difficult for me because they've not really got a set time. They can go off as early as 10 minutes before the train scheduled, so it's not really the easiest station to record announcements at. We never really know when they're going to come. But we have a TPE due shortly, which I'm hoping is either a 397 or an LNWR 350. Watch it be a 185. I think it's been a 185 nearly every time I've been here, to be honest. Yep, another 185. Right, coming through now is your Glasgow Central to Manchester Airport bound class 185, which will probably be packed. Then again, it is only a Monday afternoon. It's very early Monday afternoon, so might be alright. 185, 107. Bound for Manchester Airport. Don't know if you just heard it then, but that was a local 512 bus which serves this station. What's coming in now is 150 and the 150, 130. Bound for Alderley Edge. And we've got another one coming, because you can just see the lights reflecting on the 150. And it is another newbie, guys. I'm not even going to talk with this sounds brilliant. .331.014 and 331.017. Both for Blackpool North. They sounded brilliant. Oh, they sounded pretty damn good there then. Right, so another thing for the announcement fans, she doesn't announce platform 2 here. She says stand away from the edge of the platform when she says platform 2, but she says platform 1 normally. Yeah. Then again, it's faulty display board. And as well on the outside thing, where it has the display board, it has a just a dash. Southport 1307, and where it says platform it just says dash. Meanwhile the Staley Bridge services just say 1. So it doesn't even acknowledge platform 2 here. I feel kind of bad for old platform 2 here. Doesn't get the recognition it deserves. Do we have a crossover here possibly? Because I can hear another train as well. I have had a direct crossover here. I think I'm going to start making note of how many direct crossovers we get here at Farnworth. By direct crossover I mean coming on the platform at the same time. A very shiny 150 here. 106. So, Pacers can no longer operate on their own, and they need a PRM compliant unit basically. The PRM modifications had to take place before 2020. Some of them have got dispensation, which is keeping the 142s and the HSTs and stuff like that in service. I believe the only HSTs, now correct me if I'm wrong, the only HSTs that have passed it are the cross-country ones. Please feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, this is going to be the last movement today, this one, because I've got to get going. It's a 158, so we're going to end off in fashion. And just like so, the 142 just sits there on the back. Right, I'm off now because I've got things to do. So yeah, that is it from Farnworth.
Please speak to a Northern staff member who will be able to help. Thank you.
That's quiet. Yeah, that is it for today. Hopefully this one was less of a farce than the Victoria and Ashton Underline video. And yeah, until next time, North Australia Spot 390, out.